What is up, guys? Today my sister's also recording, so make sure to go check out her channel.
What's up, guys? What happened?
You also record.
Wait a second, what happened to us? What? I got glitched? Do not tell I'm glitched. Am I glitched? Yeah, not
Okay,
glitched.
guys. Three of us are recording.
Yeah.
Check out the channel.
Little Sound 7.
Amazing.
My name is Michael the Rose. Guys, check out
And check out Rafi Talks.
Check out Ice the Hedgehog
Okay,
and Rafi Talks.
let's check. Hello there. I'm Messenger Man. So meows what has gone missing. Can you help us find him? Okay,
Yeah, we can find him.
start.
Oh.
Hey, wait for us. Cheating.
That's not cheating, actually.
Oh,
Right,
no, I
guys?
died. I don't even get a checkpoint.
Oh,
Okay? Wait, Pinchy. Wait, guys, wait for me.
okay. Little Sound 7, you're the best. You show.
Yeah.
Now I don't want the further ones.
Let me try
This
this.
crab.
It's not this.
All of them cannot be seen, okay?
I'll try the middle. Oh! No! Come on! Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, it's this one again?
My
All
turn.
at least three are
Yeah.
This is only the preview. I will make my own trailer. I will make
Trey.
Come on, where are you?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Come on, fast!
Somebody likes me. You can talk. You can talk in my voice. Okay, I made it, guys.
Okay. Where is he?
I'm trying. No. Guys, you see, it's hard.
We need to do this fast. We can't make it less than 15 minutes. I just died.
Make sure to use
Guys.
sunscreen. Make sure to use sunscreen when you're in
Make
the
sure to use sunscreen so that you don't die like this man died. He drank sunscreen and he exploded. What? Hey, Date Designer 7. No fair.
That's not fair. That's unfair. You guys are annoying.
It's been 2 minutes. Oh my! That was close.
That was.
What does this say? My stomach hurts. Please get me out and everything into the street.
No, I don't.
Oh, an Easter egg.
The mouse.
Let's go.
We need to find him.
No problem. Okay, guys.
Guys,
Yeah, let's just do this.
I will go part 2 of this because I am
Probably not. It has not even been 15 minutes.
Guys, no,
I also did it. Stairs.
Hey, wait for us. Wait for us. That's super cheating, you know.
my viewers, they can't wait like that, right? Right? This is yes.
Just continue. I'll come on my own.
Guys, oh,
What is this name, Zombie?
Denis.
Oh, slide time. Whee! Okay, guys.
She says, guys,
Jump.
guys, this music is super cool. I like this.
Jump. Okay, guys. We can do this, guys. Jump.
In the end, I need some epic music.
What the? Let's go to giant vehicle.
Guys, wait.
Okay. Yes, there's an Easter egg. And it's a badge. It's a secret badge.
Wait for us. Let's do it together.
No, wait for me.
No, not you.
Okay, if you go here, there's a button. This button. Click it.
You know
You'll
what?
see what happens.
You know what? I'll ask my friend Dennis.
See?
Dennis.
See?
Huh.
Pinchy.
Just go,
Pinchy.
Pinchy.
Badge.
Guys, where are you?
Okay. Did you get that secret Pinchy badge?
Yeah.
It was so easy and you just died. I just died. Yeah. Okay. So we're at the box stage.
वापस से आना पड़ेगा.
No, man. Guys, I'm like at this point. Jump. Okay. That was so easy. I don't know how you died. Well, I'm getting inside this damn thing. Okay, guys. I hope you're at home. And if you're a Muslim, happy Eid. Okay, guys. I was helping my sister come. He left. What a betrayer.
What's up, guys? It's me, Masha, and today we're gonna make part 2.
Yeah, guys.
Let's start from here.
Okay, guys. We're
What?
being able
I
to
died?
do this.
What is this actually?
Jump.
Office. Oh my
Jump.
goodness.
Jump.
My viewers hate that.
Oh, it's maze, guys. Guys, it's maze time. Oh! Jump! Guys, this is too easy.
Guys, I'm doing it.
No!
Why do you say that? My viewers.
Wait, wait. No!
Yeah, guys, I did it.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I took the checkpoint, guys.
Okay, so we're
Jump, 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 go, go. Just go. Jump.
Yeah.
Jump, go.
oh my god, is that
Go.
No.
What is this?
What? You need to climb, man. My brother
You're
was
supposed to be kidding me right now.
He was.
Speed and try and
wait.
go.
It says there.
Jump, jump, climb,
Jump.
take this checkpoint.
Yeah, guys, we did it.
Okay, guys, we did it. It's been 7 minutes. Wait, I'm reaching my brother. My brother's at stage 26. I gotta reach him. I gotta reach him.
We got to reach.
No! Okay,
Guys,
360. It says a 360, boys.
guys, I'm so sorry. My brother did something. I was going
You know
to
what?
show
I
you my
can
map.
do a 360. It's really hard.
Guys, you can add friend me. My username is Happy
Do
Roblox
not add
Girl.
friend me because we will not accept friend requests until we don't reach like 100k or 50k. We may do special persons who we actually want to.
That will be so freaking thank them because they can't wait for a long time, right? Everyone is saying yes. Yes.
Oh my god, my leg is so close to that stupid checkpoint. Wait, you're already here. Jump, jump.
No! You can't! That's cheating, right? Guys, that's cheating. That's good cheating.
What a really thanks for watching.
No!
Guys, that's super cheating.
Guys, this is so idiotic.
Yes, guys, my recording. Guys, I have so low battery. So, wow, claps for me. Claps for me. Guys, are you thinking?
No! Guys, wait! I won! I got a badge by winning, but I did not really win. Oh, hey, Alex. How are you doing? You just finished the freaking obby. Guys, make sure to go check out my sister's piggy map. I made a video on it. It was like absolutely hard. Well, we did it. What does he say? So Meows Vlog was at the fire all along. Well, that's a relief. Thank you for your help finding him. Oh, that's
guys, we
nice
did
of
it.
you.
Think because I got
Give me
that
this.
one.
Give me this. Give me this. Okay,
Guys,
I'll just come right.
Just come right back.
Okay.
Well, guys, this is the end. Let's see what does he
Come
say.
on, Meow.
Sure, Meow Vlog. That was that the well that
Meow.
thanks for
there you
your
are.
help finding him.
So long.
Thanks.
Wait, what do you mean? Wait, what? What do you know?
Is this Meow? Oh, it's Meow Vlog.
Hey, Denis. Going to the pyre. Not daylight. So meows a lot. Didn't
Meow, meow,
Denis
meow.
teach you how to use your cell phone?
Oh,
Tell him to teach
I
you
have
how to use your cell phone.
Wait,
You know how to deliver a
oh,
message.
dear.
Come on, Sir Meows a lot.
Wait.
I thought you were better than
You're
this.
so wrong. What took you so long?
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe,
He's cute.
and make sure to hit that post notifications. For now.